Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about beautiful hand embroidery designs 2025, creative and elegant handmade ideas for beginners. New and trendy designing ideas you can see this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most beautiful, most trendy hand embroidery designs and ideas. Beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. Every design is different one another, beautiful and attractive. Those who love such type of crochet hand embroidery, stylish embroidery designs, you can make this very beautiful and trendy stylish handmade embroidery. If you love hand embroidery, if you know embroidery designs, how to make stylish and beautiful color combination contrasts, you can see in this my video. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also gives your feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy stylish hand embroidery designs? If you want to buy these very beautiful and trendy stylish patterns, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful and trendy handmade ideas online easily in very reasonable price. Most beautiful, most attractive designs and ideas you can see. Highly running ideas you can see in this my video. Beautiful color combination contrasts, beautiful light colors, dark colors, stylish color combination contrasts you can see in this my video. Every design is much beautiful, most trendy. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.